All right, here's one I'd consider an 80s classic. 1984 Dodge Rampage Prospector. Don't see a lot of these around anymore. They only sold them, I believe it was between 82 and 84. 84 being the last year that these were produced by Dodge. And then their counterpart, the Plymouth Scamp. Also some of those around, but again, not very many. This one here, I believe, would have been the garnet color, it was called. This particular truck has been repainted, so it has had some restoration work done along the line. Kind of interesting rides back in the day. Powered by a 2.2 liter, 4-cylinder underneath the hood. This particular one is the 3-speed automatic transmission paired with that. I'd say it's a nice driver quality paint. Has a nice luster to it. Is it a high-end paint job? No, it is a nice paint job, absolutely. Interior appears to be all original. Vinyl on the driver's side is worn some, and there's some fading and staining to the cloth, but all original interior. You can see the buckets with the floor shift for the automatic. Prospector decals on there. Believe it or not, the load capacity of this truck was a little under 1,200 pounds for a true half-ton rating. I think if you look it up, it was 11,145, 150. Some of the checking I did. If you'd like to see the still pictures, the underside of this, interior, engine bay, bed, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you're looking for a little inexpensive 80s classic, here you go. We see these at the roll-ins and cruise-ins in the area here every once in a while, but again, not a lot of these out there. Last year for the Dodge Rampage, 1984, so it's had some bed rails added, I believe. Those are stock or not. You can see the bed is also in very nice shape. Shows well. Slip around here to the driver's side so check out the interior a little closer. We'll fire it up, check out the engine bay. And you see pretty much everything stock: door cards, armrest, dash, interior. There you can see the wears in the vinyl on the outer part. You gotta remember, this is a 30-plus year old little truck. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See, the fuel gauge works. A little cold-blooded. She should idle for me okay here. Very quiet running. Inline 4-cylinder there. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. We'll pop that hood so you can get a look underneath there and see what it looks like. All right, there you go. Take a look underneath the hood. Hood's popped, nice and tidy, just like you'd expect stock underneath there. Doesn't look like it's been modified or manipulated a lot. So it's pretty much just the stock inline for what it came with. There you have it, 1984 Dodge Rampage. Check out the still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this. And of course, we can assist with the transportation of your location. Give us a call.